headlines for the day. Whoa, so is Salman finally going the paternal way? Oh well, the pics suggest this, but it is actually something totally alag, alright. With his wrap-up of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, obviously Bhai is busy with shooting for his upcoming muscle-flexing Sultan in Karjat. So did he paint any walls in the houses here too, as in Bajrangi Bhaijaan shoot in Mandava? Nah, he cuddles up to this tot and has a gala time apparently. The kid obviously does not even know who's holding him and is quite normal and amused with Salman's love shower. So is this an indication that Bhai is giving to the industry that he's ready for a family? We would love to see this Khandan coming up. What about you? As for the Dabangg Bhaijan, there is no stopping his graciousness, for he's shooting in Karjat only because Aamir has taken over the Haryana sites already. Whoa, Salman Khan is ruling the roost in Bollywood these days. Yes, of course, in spite of Kabir Khan making 2 movies of the same kind, it is Bajrangi Bhaijaan which is in the hearts and minds of the people. Obviously so, it is Bhai in question, hai na? As for the movie, reports have it that the cross-border flick also is in the run for the entry to Oscar. Woo! That is so cool, and with competition from movies like Masan, Piku, Haider and Majhi the Mountain Man, we are sure Bhai would rise above it all. With word of the Oscar entry, now we get to see how Salman's upcoming Sultan would shape up. With Bajrangi Bhaijaan going for the Oscars, Aamir would have more cause for the worry, for our Khufia was just saying that the clash of muscle-flexing movies Dangal and Sultan is already worrying PK. Comedy Nines Bachao is the next thing in comedy on television right now. We did tell you that Salman's cast of Hero was in the show and it was a laugh riot. But you would see the stand-up comedian Bharti taking a dig on Salman's bodyguard Shera. Boy, she has a way with words. She goes on to say how Shera is the wafadar security for Sallu and how she's suffering without a family. Haha, that is indeed a good take on Bhai, hai na? With Hero being launched by the Dabangg Khan, we do really appreciate Salman's generosity in extending the family with the Shetties and the Pancholis. Remains to be seen how many more stars Bhai is gonna mentor, what say? Salman Khan, who was earlier seen in Kapil Sharma's show, has now shifted gears to Comedy Nights Bachao. Maybe because Kapil has now stepped into Bollywood? You never know. We all do know that recently Salman Khan was seen promoting his movies in Comedy Nights Bachao, the new rival to Kapil's comedy show. With the entry of this new show, the television audience was treated to the cast of Hero this time, and everyone was indeed taken on a roller coaster ride to laughter. Yes, when Suraj Pancholi and Athya Shetty, the stars of the movie Hero, were in the show, they were completely wagged with fun in it by the spunk, jokes and laughter. Salman's songs dominated the show and Bhai himself was a laugh riot. With Salman's penchant for keeping the humor on, Suraj and Athya saw what stuff their mentor is made of. All in all, they had a role. The chemistry between Suraj and Athya is infectious, and the movie, a remake of the older Hero, has revived a lot of nostalgia, hai na?